if you are running Node Version Manager or NVM to control which version of Node.js you're running on your Mac development machine or your Linux-based development machine. And then you run into the situation where you restart a terminal and somehow NVM seems to quote unquote forget what version of Node is supposed to run, and in fact it's not running Node at all in the terminal. And then you would have to manually type NVM use 20 for NVM to switch over to Node version 20, which is the latest version, long-term version at the time of this recording. You don't want to be doing this every time that you restart a terminal or open a new iTerm tab. It can get rather cumbersome. One way to resolve this issue, if you already have Node Version Manager installed in your computer and you already install the version or versions of Node.js that you wish to run for your projects. So in my case, let's say I want to run Node 20 LTS. I issued the command NVM alias default 20. I do not care about the subversion, so just give me whatever is the latest from 20. Again, I already have Node 20 installed, but I want it to be my default version whenever I start or restart my terminal or open up a new tab. Okay, so now let's demonstrate by restarting the terminal. So I've just restarted my terminal and make sure my Node version persisted, and it did. I'm currently running Node version 20.11.0. Okay, so now let's say you no longer want a specific version of Node to be your default alias. How do I remove the alias? You simply issue the command nvm unalias default. In my case is 20.11.0. As you can see there, it's been removed. So let's restart our terminal. So Node default has been removed. Just remember, just the default version has been removed. NVM is still there. Okay. Obviously, if you want to set the default, follow my procedure. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing if you're not yet a subscriber. It doesn't cost you anything. It's totally free. If you know somebody that needs help with this issue, share my video with them. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.